Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Febi Febrianti and I'm from class AG3. So for the first material is how psycholinguistics began. Psycholinguistics is the study of how language is processed in the mind. It emerged in the mid-20th century as a combination of psychology and linguistics. Early roots came from behavioral psychology, especially ideas from B.F. Skinner, who believed language learning happened through imitation and reinformation. Linguistics at the time focused more on structure or grammar rather than mental process. The field officially gained attention around the 1915 to 1916 when researchers began asking how does the brain actually understand and produce language. The second is the cognitive revolution. The cognitive revolution was a major shift in psychology during the 1950 to 1960. Before this, behaviorists dominated, focusing only on observable behavior. The revolution introduced the idea that mental process matter, like memory, perception, and thinking. This shift allowed researchers to study language as a mental activity, not just a habit. Psycholinguistics grew rapidly during this time because language requires internal processing. The third is contribution of Noam Chomsky. Chomsky played a huge role in shaping modern psycholinguistics. He criticized Skinner's behaviorist theory of language, proposed the idea of universal grammar. Humans are born with an innate ability to learn language, introduced the concept of language acquisition device, argue that children can produce sentences they have never heard before, meaning language is not just imitation. The next is language acquisition theories. A behaviorist theories or the Skinner. And the second is language is learning through imitation, reinformation, and habit formation. The weakness is cannot explain creativity in language. The second is nativist theory. Humans are biologically programmed to learn language. Language develops naturally if exposed, focus in innate structures. Next is the interactionist theory, combines both environment and biology. Key idea is language developed through social interaction, influenced by thinkers like Lev Vygotsky. And last is how humans develop language. Language development happens in stages. The first is babbling stage. The second is one-word stage, single word like milk or mama. The third is two-word stage, simple combination like one milk. The next is telegraphic speech. It's short sentence like mommy go work. And the last is fluent speech, more complex grammar and vocabulary. The next material is modern psycholinguistics and application. Today, psycholinguistics is interdisciplinary and widely applied. Language processing like speaking, listening, and reading, brain and language, bilingualism and multilingualism, and language disorders. And the last is application. First is education, improving language teaching method like speech therapy, helping people with disorders. Intelligence natural language processing like chatbots. And forensic linguistic, analyzing language in legal context. I think that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.